Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious burger in the comfort of your own home. If you want to see more videos, make sure you click subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a blessed one. Alright guys, to make the juiciest burgers in the world, you have to make sure that you get the 80-20 mix. Why? Because the fat is what makes them juicy. Okay, so we're gonna mix the 2.25 pounds of ground beef chuck. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Alright guys, so there it is seasoned. What that does, it improves the flavor and juiciness of the burgers once they're done. Alright, so now we're about to make the patties. The ideal thickness for these is about 3/4 inch. So whenever you do put them on the grill, they're gonna flatten out a little bit. You don't want them too thin because then they get burnt. Like this, we want them to be cooked but still juicy. So you want them about that thick, but here's one thing you have to do. Since when you put them in the grill, they're gonna puff up in the middle. You wanna go ahead and make this little piece in the middle a little bit lower. So whenever they do cook, they're nice and even. And we just do the rest of the meat. And this is what you get, guys. Let's go cook these bad boys. All right guys, so now we're gonna put this bad boy in there for 13 to 15 minutes. We're gonna flip it only once. So let's put this bad boy in. And how do you know when to flip it, guys? Super easy. Whenever you put the spatula under it and it slides straight through, it's ready to flip.